Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing assets and the first actionable step, import. Sign into the Google account that has Gemini access, then open the Gemini-enabled editor or Google Photos Labs. Once done, select 5 high-quality JPEG or PNG files and import them into a new project. Keep each under 20 MB for speed. Make sure to name the project and set color profile if needed. This reduces back and forth and primes Gemini with consistent inputs for reliable edits. Now you drive Gemini with precise instructions and mask guidance. Tell Gemini exactly what to do. Remove that lamp, lift exposure by 15%, or swap shirt color to blue. Explain why for better choices. Use the mask or brush to define target zones, then accept a suggestion or ask for refinements. Iterate 1 to 3 times until edges and texture match. Once Gemini proposes styles, pick realistic or cinematic and preview at 1:1 scale to verify details before finalizing edits. Finish by finalizing exports and running a quick QA pass. Export a lossless master copy, PNG or TIFF, and also save the optimized JPEG for delivery. Compare before and after at 100% and 200% to spot cloning artifacts or color shifts, then use small local touch-ups to fix halos or texture mismatches. If Gemini gives poor results, simplify your prompt, redo the mask more tightly, or reduce the intensity of adjustments by 10 to 30%. This often
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.